Hello dear students, let us solve a numerical problem related to resonant AC circuit containing LCR. The question is, the adjacent figure shows two curves showing the variation of current with the frequency of an AC through LCR circuit. The lower and upper curves show resonant curves at resistance R2 and R1 respectively. Number 1, obtain resonant frequency from the graph. Number 2, which one is greater, R1 or R2? Justify your answer. Third, if the inductor used is L is equal to 0.08 Henry, find the value of C. Fourth, what would be the effect on the peak of upper curve when some resistance is connected in parallel to R1? Now solution. As we know, in resonant AC LCR circuit, inductive reactance XL cancels capacitive reactance XC, therefore only resistance remains. Now solution. First part, maximum current is corresponding to the frequency 60 Hz, therefore resonant frequency will be F naught is equal to 60 Hz. Second part, when resistance decreases, current increases, therefore R1 must be less than R2. Third part, we know resonant frequency is given as F naught is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. Squaring both sides and rearranging, we get C is equal to 1 upon 4 pi square F naught square into L, and putting the corresponding values, we get the value of C as 8.8 into 10 to minus 5 farad. Fourth, when a resistor is connected in parallel with R1, then the resultant resistance in parallel will be less than R1. Therefore, the current will further increase, means upper peak will go up. That is, the peak of resonance further increases.